one and all present here. Today we are celebrating Red Color Day, the color of love, energy and confidence.
Are very happy because we are celebrating Red Day today in this school. Today, all of us are wearing what color? Red color, yes. Color, color, what color? Color, color.
Red color. Color, color, what color? Color, red color. Red color gives us love.
Red color gives us strength.
Red color gives us strength.
My red balloon, flies high, flies high, flies high. I jumped up high to reach the sky, but could not reach it wide. My red balloon, flies high, flies high, flies high. I jumped up high to reach the sky, but could not reach it wide. My red balloon, flies high, flies high, flies high. Flies high, flies high, flies high. Flies high, flies high, flies high.
Good morning everyone. My name is Xavier. I am studying in class UKG. Rose is known as the king of flower. It is used in perfumes, etc. Rose is very beautiful. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Sandra. I am studying in class UKG. Apple is red in color. It is very healthy to eat an apple a day keeps doctor away. Tomato is flooding color. Tea is juicy. Tomato is a good source of vitamins. Thank you. Thank everyone. My name is Sarthak. Studying in class UKG. The school name is St. English Medium School. Strawberry is a small and red fruit. It is sweet and tasty. It is very juicy. everyone. My name is Aditya. I am studying in class UKG. Blood is a fluid. It flows in the blood vessels. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. My name is Lajwal. I am studying in class UKG. My school name is Xavier English Medium School. Red is the color of fire. It is often used to show danger or importance. Thank you. I am a strawberry. My color is red. I am an apple. My color is red. I am a ball. I am watermelon. My color is red and green. Thank you. I am a red fruit. I am a red fruit. My color is red. I am a tomato. Color is red. Thank you. I am a cherry. My color is red. I am a pomegranate. My color is red.
Jalva. Yo, blaze up the walk, light it up to the beat. Come on. Jalva. Give it to me. Jalva.